How to reset WhatsApp status settings. First of all, let's navigate and open WhatsApp on your phone. Once the app is open, from the bottom menu, tap on the Updates page. Once it opens, tap on the three dots at the top left side and then select the Status Privacy option. Next, make sure the My Contact option is selected. Once all these are done, let's go back to the home page. Here, find and open Settings app. Once you are inside the settings, find and tap on Journal option. Next, you need to open iPhone storage. On the next page, find and select WhatsApp to open it. Here, tap on Offload app to remove caches and confirm your action. It will take a few moments and the cache data will be removed. And that's it. This is how you can reset WhatsApp status settings. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.